Hey there, we're in Animal Kingdom Lodge, really Animal Kingdom Villas, Jambo House, room 5421. It's a studio with the Savannah view, and I'm gonna show you around. So gorgeous. When you walk in, first thing you have is a closet. Has your iron, simple closet. Then you have a kitchenette, have a sink, microwave, some shelves with like paper towels and stuff, mini fridge, and here's the bathroom. You got an awesome double vanity, and then you have another part of the bathroom with your toilet and a really awesome patterned shower. I'll zoom out on that so you guys can see it. And then come in here, you have a little stool, you have a wardrobe, which is pretty cool. Got your safe, got your extra blankets and pillows, that type of thing. You have a queen bed right here. Actually, that might be more of a double. They'll call it a queen, but I think it's a double. You have a little side table. You also have a queen. That's definitely a queen pull-out bed. Coffee table, another little table, TV, dresser, a couple chairs. It's awesome. This is the prime thing though. You have a balcony with a view of the Savannah, if I can get it open. And here it is. And I don't see any animals right now, but we will probably see some animals at some point. This is awesome. A wildebeest walk. Oh, he's bucking! This room is incredible. You should stay here on your next visit to Walt Disney World. Thanks for watching.